was the best intro to a room tour ever.
Okay,
Holy
so
smoke.
right over here,
Uh-huh.
we have, oh, there's the safe.
Oh, yeah.
Hangers and suitcase rack. Look, oh, there's extra towels in there and ironing board and iron. And then
Mirror.
over here, looks like we have a little fridge. There's a Keurig, some water, coffee and tea.
That's good.
And over here we have the bathroom. So we're in a handicap accessible bathroom. So here you go. One sink, shower, tub. And there's supposed to be a TV in that mirror, I think, but I don't know. I don't see the TV. And then, is this a king?
This is a king.
It doesn't seem like a king, but this is a king.
It is a king.
And then there's the TV,
TV.
a little desk, and some, this is nice. A
Mhm.
little sofa and chair. And then we have a nice view.
Yes, we do. Looking out on the pool,
Yeah,
where we'll be hanging out for a little.
maybe.
Maybe.
Not this pool, I don't think. And there's a little bar down there. Coconuts. And there's a whirlpool. And I think that might be an aquatic pool. So this room is on the 11th floor?
11th
Or
floor.
on the 11th floor.
Tower 2.
Tower 2. So, yeah, we'll be here for the next couple days. Should be nice. The pool boy's back with our lunch and some cocktails. Someone is indulging.
Oh my.
Was it super hot?
Mm-mm.
No? Is it good?
Good.
I don't know the last time I've had an onion ring.
Been a long time. But passable.
Passable. So I got vodka, elderflower, cucumber lime drink with tonic, but instead of tonic, I actually got soda. So I think it'll be good. What do you think of your poolside lunch?
It was solid.
For poolside,
Yeah.
nothing fantastic, but what do you expect, right?
A little bit better than yesterday's, like chips and guac.
Oh, I thought those were good.
They were good, but like I said, fresh made guac, real chips.
Yes. No,
That
I
would have
agree.
been that would have been easy enough for them to put together, but it wasn't.
Right.
It was okay.
Right.
This is much better.
My Power Bowl is pretty good. The chicken is really good. It's super tender and moist and has a nice flavor. The greens are fresh. The guacamole is good. Yeah, this is like a nice, healthy, light lunch. I didn't care for the onion ring. I thought it was kind of heavy.
It's like an onion fritter.
Yes. That is a
Crispy.
very good. It's very crispy. Take a bite. Yeah, see how crispy it is? But it's super
Thick.
thick.
Got a lot of crust on it.
Yeah, I don't know. if
But
you
that's
can
okay.
see that. Yeah, it's fine.
If you were having it, like
Right.
light and
Right.
crispy.
Right.
But
They're
these,
not.
these are just kind of a nice oniony.
Right.
I think it's got cornmeal on the outside, so it's crunchy.
Right.
It's good.
That's fine. So the thing with the resort food is, it is what it is. You know, you can't expect like a Michelin star level. I mean, this hotel has 1,600 rooms, so it's just, you know what I mean? Like when we've gone to resorts before,
Yeah.
it's just,
It's okay. Yeah.
It's okay.
It's
You just-
convenient.
right, it's convenient. Like if you want to have really exceptional food, you have to go off property. And so that's what we've been doing for dinners. But for lunch, we just want to stay by the pool and relax, and we don't want to go anywhere.
Right.
So it's fine.
Yeah.
Well, what are you drinking? Show your low calorie.
This is a high noon. So just vodka soda. Light, no added sugar. Good.
Gluten-free. Because that's important
This
to
is
you.
that's a major selling point.
Yes, I know, especially for you.
Yeah.
So this was really good. I really enjoyed it. But I think next time I'll just get like a soda water with lime, because I just want to be hydrated, but I don't just want bottled water. So I decided to take a little dip in. It's nice. So it was nice. We just spent a few minutes soaking in here. Nice and warm. It's probably 70 degrees out right now. So that was super fun.
Yep, and we're getting ready to head home.
Yeah.
So,
And we would say this is a really nice hotel, right?
really nice hotel.
Nice
Hyatt Regency,
Orlando.
Orlando.
And
Very
a
nice.
Nice terrace pool, quiet pool, and nice restaurants, and just easy and
Good
relaxing.
location. Yeah,
really good fun.
absolutely.
So thanks a lot for coming along and watching.
Absolutely.